How to fix Google Business Verification issues. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to resolve Google Business Verification issues. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into this video. First of all, launch your web browser on your device and then using the search bar type in Google Business Profile Help Center and press enter on your keyboard. Then you will land on the official link from the top of this result section. Simply you need to click on Google Business Profile Help link. Then on this Help Center page, you need to select Fix Verification Issues. So you can easily browse the help topics or simply you can search using the search bar at top of the screen. Now you will get access to this section where you need to scroll down to Contact Us section. And then you need to click on it and you need to simply get to the Contact Us page where you need to click on the first option and you need to fill in the required fields and you need to describe your issues. Example, unable to verify my business account. Now you have to click on the next button at bottom center of the screen, and now you need to select no way to verify is offered from the options. And now you need to continue pressing the next step until you see the contact options. Now you need to simply scroll down and click Get Help with Verification. And then after that you need to confirm your business details and follow the prompts to submit your request. And Google will receive your issue and assist with verification. So that's how you can easily resolve Google Business Verification issues. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.